buckle your seatbelts right now and hold on to your seats. I am going to say something, and you need to be buckled in. The contempt that we see for the law today. Uh-oh, somebody's still not buckled in. The contempt we see for the law today is rooted in the church that has rejected God's law. The violence, the contempt, the rebellion, the reflection is the reflection of a lukewarm, self-ruled, self-centered, modern-day Laodicean church that says we don't have any laws. We don't have any restrictions. There are no absolutes. It's all about grace.